Hi friends and welcome back to another video. Today it is day 41 on hashtag ASR 99 days data science challenge, and today's topic is on the introduction to Pandas library in Python. Pandas is a Python library used for working with huge data sets, and it has functions for analyzing, cleaning, exploring and manipulating data. The name Pandas has reference to both panel data and Python data analysis, and it was created in the year 2008 by Wes McKinney. Why we use Pandas? Pandas allows us to analyze big data and make conclusions based on statistical theories. Pandas can clean messy data and make them readable and relevant for us. Relevant data is more important in data science. So installing Pandas. To install Pandas, first we need to open our command prompt and type in the code pip install Pandas. I have already installed Pandas, so I won't install it again. And we use the alias PD for Pandas, like how we used NP for NumPy. In the similar way, you use PD for Pandas. And yeah, that's all for today in this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something new. And like the video, leave a comment down below and let's meet on day 42.